Hi there, my name is Wendy. Welcome. I'm so excited you're here today because I'm going to show you how to make an adorable little gift bag. I have it right here to show you. And you could fit all kinds of fun stuff in here, and it's so super simple and easy to make. And then I wanted to really quickly show you the two main products we're going to be using today are the beautiful Bauble stamp set and die set, and you can purchase these from me at shoploveandstampin.com. These are only available while supplies last, and they're only available during the holiday catalog. So if you want them, make sure to grab them now. Let's go over to my stamp desk and we're going to create that adorable little bag. Okay, so we're going to make this gift bag specifically designed for gift cards. We are using that beautiful Bauble stamp set that I talked about earlier and the detailed Baubles framelits, which are really great to own even if you don't want the stamp set. All right, we're going to stamp in Poppy Parade ink, and Poppy Parade cardstock is what we're using. This base of this bag is cut at 10.5 by 3.5, and we're stamping monochromatically all the way across this piece of cardstock, kind of towards the top. I was reminded that not everyone knows what monochromatic means, and so I wanted to share that with you in case you didn't know. That means when you stamp the same ink color on the same cardstock color, or maybe you create a card that has white with just all the same colors on top, like you're using all Poppy Parade. Okay, here we're scoring at 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches, 5.5 inches, and 6.5. We're turning the paper, and you do want to make sure that the bottom of your paper is where you have not stamped, and we're going to score at 1 inch. All right, and then we're going to do a bunch of trimming, and I've kept this in. I didn't edit this out because I wanted you to see where you trim on the score lines. So you need to trim on the bottom up to that 1 inch score line that you created, because this is the bottom of your bag. This is the part that's going to close. So we're going to trim away at an angle, and that just makes for nicer bag closure. I'm using tear and tape adhesive to close this bag because, FYI guys, snail adhesive is not strong enough for a project like this. It will keep the bag together temporarily, but it really won't make it durable. And you want, when you're giving a gift, for it to be durable. And then you just need to add tear and tape adhesive to one inside flap. I choose to do the one closest to the tab that's going to close the whole bag. All right, so we're bringing it over, and I'm going to close it up first, and then I'm going to fold in my little tabs on the side, my one tab with no adhesive, and then the final one that has the adhesive. And I do get it a little off center there, so I did fix that. I'm taking my hole punch, and I'm going to punch holes on both sides of this bag because I'm going to create little handles for this bag. Now, if you are super anal about how you want to punch your holes and making sure they line up perfectly and all that stuff, you absolutely can take a ruler, measure a little bit down from the top, measure a little over from a side, and then repeat that step on all 4 holes, and you will get them all perfectly aligned. I'm a mom, I have dogs, I have like crazy busy time life, and so I think of it like this. First of all, my favorite quote is, "It's not Hallmark, it's handmade." That's a Jennifer McGuire quote. My second reason is, if somebody is going to look at this bag and evaluate the spacing of the holes for the ribbon, they need help, y'all. It is way more about them than it is about me. So I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to punch my holes and do my thing and make a cute little bag to give to somebody, and I bet you $1 to a donut, no one ever notices. Okay, so now I've got my adorable little bauble here from the detailed Baubles framelits, and I'm going to use Tombow mono adhesive to glue on this little sentiment that I stamped earlier. And then I'm adding Whisper White baker's twine to the outside of the bag, tying the tag to the little bag. Now I did do 2 handles. It's just I didn't do them both on screen with you because they're a little time consuming to tie, and I try to keep my videos right around 5 minutes. So I thought I would just let you do the second side. I've shown you once, and so you can just, I don't know, hit rewind and replay it and then pretend I did it twice. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. If you need to purchase any products, shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. I super appreciate your business. Click either video to watch those. Click the circle with my face in it to subscribe. Make sure you visit my blog and my website to sign up for my emails.